Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect WordPress REST API with a React frontend, full guide step by step clearly. To connect WordPress REST API with a React frontend, the first step is to set up your WordPress site. Ensure that you have the WordPress installation ready and accessible. Next, verify that the WordPress REST API is enabled by default in your WordPress settings. Open your terminal and create a new React application using Create React App. Type in the command npx create react app myapp and press enter. Once the setup is complete, navigate to your project folder using cd myapp. Now, in the src directory, create a new folder called components. Inside the components folder, create a new file named posts. Import useEffect from React to manage side effects in your application. Next, set up a functional component named posts. Within the component, initialize a state variable named posts using useState. Use useEffect to fetch data from the WordPress REST API when the component mounts. Inside useEffect, define an asynchronous function to fetch the posts. Use the fetch API to make a GET request to your WordPress endpoint, which is typically https://yourwordpresssite.com/. Once the data is available, update the post state with the fetched data. Set up a try-catch block to handle potential errors during the fetching process. After the data fetching logic is complete, return some JSX to display the posts. Map through the post state and return individual post elements, displaying the title and content. Add some basic styling to enhance the appearance of the posts. Now that your posts component is complete, you need to import and use it in your app.js. Open the app.js file and import the posts component at the top. Insert the posts/component into the main return statement of the app component. Save your changes and return to your terminal. Run the command npm start to launch your React application. You should now see your WordPress posts being displayed on your React frontend. If necessary, add additional components or features to improve your application. Test different endpoints of the WordPress REST API for additional data, such as categories or comments. Debug any issues by checking the console for errors or inspecting network requests. Finally, review your code to ensure best practices and clean structure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.